Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing my game. Well, not my game, we're playing my friend's game, Rigged Monkeys on Sidequest by Twin, which is the owner. That's how you spell it. So you can search that up on Sidequest. I know Sidequest is like big like down, but yeah. Those are all the cosmetics I have. Old update. Totally. But yeah, the reason why you should download this game because we need more players. I just swear I heard somebody. I guess not. But yeah, house update. Yeah. We need more people. I'm pretty sure we have like a few moderators. I'm actually working on making my own game. I have like 7 or 8 moderators, which is to me I think a little bit too much. No, it can't. Yeah, it's not because only a few of them have VR. So in the description, I'm gonna try to leave a link to my Discord so you guys could join. Yeah. The other reason why I want you guys to download the game is because I have every cosmetic because I'm a moderator. Totally. And look, I have the stick. Look at it, bro. Look at the stick. Not playing. Look at the stick. Look at the stick. No, this isn't actually my outfit. I actually wear wait, you know what? This don't actually look bad. Dang, that's a big hat. Anyway. But yeah. It's like I will wear a Santa hat. And then maybe this, or just rosy cheeks. What a purple color. I have admin badge because I'm an administrator, and my name will not be flowered. And my colors are purple, unless I'm other color. So yeah, go ahead and download the game, and I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye bye.